The NEET exam mess saw massive student protests. The Education Ministry late last night declared that they handed over the probe into alleged irregularities regarding the medical entrance exam NEET to the CBI, seeking a thorough investigation. Now, the government said this was done for transparency on the conduct of the examination process, and that it was decided after a review meeting that the matter should be handed over to the CBI. Now, after cases of malpractices were reported, the government has ensured that they are committed to ensuring the sanctity of these exams. As the government is facing protests in several parts of the country as well as attacks from the opposition, the centre has removed the chief of the National Testing Agency from his post amid the controversy over the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG and the cancellation of the UGC NET exam. This move, of course, comes hours after the government had constituted a committee which will give recommendations to improve the functioning of the NTA. Listen in to what the BJP's Dinesh Sharma had to say on the move.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार एक पारदर्शी, एक जवाबदेही सरकार है और उसने जरा से आरोप होने पर भी हमेशा बड़े-बड़े निर्णय लिए हैं। ये कई बार उदाहरण में हम देख चुके हैं। नीट के संदर्भ में अभी आपने देखा होगा कि कोई भी प्रतियोगी परीक्षा हो उसमें नकल ना हो, बहुत कड़ा कानून सरकार लाई है और कल राष्ट्रपति महोदया ने उस पर दस्तखत भी कर दिए हैं। वो कानून बन गया है।
Now, amid allegations of irregularities in the conduct of the NEET UG exams, which is the qualifier for getting admissions to MBBS courses, the Union Health Ministry late last night had postponed the NEET PG tests, which were scheduled for today. Just hours before students were heading to the exam centres, the test was postponed. Fresh dates for the exam are yet to be announced. Students are protesting at Jantar Mantar against the sudden decision of postponement. The government says the exam was postponed in interest of students. Listen into these political reactions that have come in.
The innocent student is affected. If a government is not even able to conduct an examination in a proper manner, what else can this government do? Their incompetence, the way their administrative incapability is for everyone to see. Imagine the plight of the students. Yesterday, all of them have traveled to several places to write this examination. They have prepared on the Twitter, the social media is awash with the sad stories. The way the people have prepared, they say NEET PG preparation and this examination is one of the most toughest part of a medico's life. After finishing MBBS, working for some time, preparing this examination, and all of a sudden they say it's cancelled.
देखिए, मेरे पास कुछ MBBS डॉक्टर्स के व्हाट्सएप आए। ये अखबार में छप जाता है तो बड़ा सरल लगता है कि साहब एग्जाम था कल, एक रात पहले कैंसिल हो गया, मगर इतना सरल नहीं है दोस्तों। लोगों ने अपनी फ्लाइट टिकट्स करा रखी थी, लोगों ने अपने होटल बुक करा रखे थे, कई लोग पहले ही एक दिन पहले अपने सेंटर पे पहुंच चुके थे, रेल द्वारा, फ्लाइट द्वारा तैयारियां कर रहे थे और अचानक इसको रद्द कर दिया गया। ये बहुत बड़ा ट्रॉमा है और इससे बहुत सारे लोगों का बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है।
Well, it were almost 2,27,000 students who had to appear for the NEET PG examinations, which were scheduled for today. But just before the examinations, 8 hours or 9 hours prior to that, the government issued the notification in which they stated that the examinations is postponed till further orders, and therefore the reason perhaps a large number of students who had already were on their way to give the examinations from different places across the country at 292 of the centres. Certainly this had made them angry as far as the reactions are coming in from the students, from the parents. They clearly had been stating that there has been a lot of financial burden. Students are preparing for a very long period of time for these examinations, and at the last moment when government cancels such examination, this takes a huge burden on them, and it also impacts their mental strength, and financial burden is also one of the reasons to get anger, and therefore the reason perhaps we have seen huge protests taking place, just not in Delhi but also in different parts of the country after the government's decisions. But on the other side, remember, it is the Government of India and Ministry of Education clearly had been stating that they do not want the wrongdoers to keep in loop. In fact, because of that, there had been several decisions that they have taken. Last night we have seen how the Government of India had constituted a 7-member panel to rethink about the entire mechanism process of the National Testing Agency. It was also the Ministry of Education who had referred the entire investigation to the CBI, and the Ministry of Education had been also stating that there have been several inputs that they have received from Bihar, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat Police to find out that who were those who are behind these paper leaks and irregularities that had been caused a major trouble for the students. But the students' interest is paramount for the Government of India, and therefore the reason perhaps these stringent actions had been taken. Remember, the NTA DG were also suspended. He had been sent to the DOPT department until the time a new DG had been appointed. All of these actions are being taken to refine the entire examination process, but of course the opposition clearly attacking the government had been saying that it is complete education system which has been failed under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Now, students from all over India have travelled to different cities to appear for the NEET PG exams and are expressing outrage over the exams being postponed. Many of the students and their families are holding a protest at the Jantar Mantar in Delhi, questioning the centre. Listen in to what NEET aspirants and their family members had to say.
जैना दोषी, मुझे नीट में 687 आए हैं 720 में से। बहुत मेहनत से आए हैं और डेडिकेशन से आए हैं। पूरी दिन रात जग कर हमने ये अचीव किया है, और ये अचीव करने के लिए हमने हमारे सारे सेलिब्रेशन, बर्थडे, सब कुछ हमने दाव पे लगाया था और ये मेहनत करके आए हैं। तो जिन्होंने चीटिंग की है उनको ही दिलवाओ, हम रीनीट नहीं होनी चाहिए। माय नेम इज पलक दरगिया। आई हैव स्कोर्ड 682 in NEET. According to my views, there should be no re-NEET because we have scored this many marks because of so much of dedication and hard work. Only the students who have scored below 600 are wanting for re-NEET. But what about the students who have scored 600 above? They have scored by doing dedication and so much of hard work. It won't be possible to score good after a gap of 1.5 months if there is a re-NEET. It's like playing with our futures. So we want justice. There should be no re-NEET.
हमारा आज संडे को आज के दिन हमारा नीट पीजी का पेपर होने वाला था, लेकिन सरकार कुछ इनकी इनकैपेबिलिटीज़ और सरकार की कमजोरी की वजह से पेपर नहीं हो पाया। पता नहीं सरकार बच्चों से क्या चाहती है, सरकार बच्चों के साथ ऐसा क्या करना चाहती है जिससे बच्चे पूरे परेशान रहें, बच्चे स्ट्रेस में रहें।
मैं अब पूरी पीएससी और सीएससी का जो काम है वो छोड़ के यहाँ पर एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए आया था। हम जैसे ही पहुँचे हमने रूम लिए, होटल्स वगैरह लिए हमारे साथियों ने। जब उनको रात को पता लगा तो उन्होंने उनका भी मन ख़राब हो गया कि वो इतनी दूर से पूरी पीएससी को छोड़ के आए हैं, वहाँ पर जो सेवाएं बाधित हो रही है उसको छोड़ कर आए। तो ये सरकार को एक दिन केवल 12 घंटे के शॉर्ट नोटिस में कहीं को तो पता ही नहीं चला। आप कैसे कर सकते हो?
जो अभी रिसेंट घटना हुई है, देश के अंदर 3 मेडिकल एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, नीट यूजी, नीट पीजी एंड नीट एसएस। नीट यूजी एग्ज़ाम पेपर लीक हो गया, नीट पीजी एग्ज़ाम जस्ट 12 घंटे पहले पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया, नीट एसएस एग्ज़ाम की आधी डेट ही नहीं अनाउंस की इन्होंने। तो ऐसे में एक हेल्थ सेक्टर में जुड़े हुए लोग, देश के स्वास्थ्य को लेकर सरकार कितनी चिंतित है सबको दिख रहा है।
My colleague Gurpreet joins us from Chandigarh from an examination centre. Now, Gurpreet, in terms of the postponement of the NEET PG exam, take us through what the students are saying. Many of them having faced financial brunt as well, having to travel from different cities to attend the exams.
Well, we all know a lot of controversy has already been erupted, and a lot of students, they have been demanding for a re-NEET, and we have seen even the parents, they are also pushing. Today, we are reporting from one of the centers from Chandigarh, where this center has been set up in St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, Sector 44, where we can see huge security has already been deployed. And what we have learned from this is the re-NEET exam 2024, which is going to be conducted today, and only 2 students who are going to appear there. What we have seen, all the security arrangements have already been made. We have seen all over the country. This is one of the major controversies controversy which has already been happened here. So we can see also the DSP of this area, he has already been reached here. They are checking all the security provisions here. At the same time, there is a specific deadline even for the students who are supposed to be reaching here by 1:30. After 1:30, nobody will be allowed to go inside. We have a school staff here. We will talk. Ma'am, कितने लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं और कब तक है डेडलाइन उनके आने की?
2 students are coming and they are supposed to come here by 1:30. And after 1:30 we'll close the gate.
So all arrangements have already been made up inside?
100% arrangements have been done, sir.
Because
With all
a lot of
security,
controversy has already been erupted earlier. They were saying about the grace marks. Hope everything is in a proper way.
everything is in proper way, sir, this time.
So, well, we can see that all the arrangements have already been made up by the school authorities also. And once again, I'll request my Vijay to show these visuals. The force have been deployed here, and all know that there was already this controversy about the grace marks, and specifically for delay of examination started. That was the plea which they had already been taken, and we have seen this matter has already gone to the apex court, where we have seen a lot of directions had already been done. So here everything has been done, and everybody is waiting for the 2 students which are going to be appear here. So we can see these are the roll numbers which has been mentioned here, raw number that has also been mentioned here, so that all the arrangements should be made prior to the student, and student should not waste their time. And the time of the examination, ma'am, time of the examination कितने बजे है? 2 बजे?
The exam will start at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. और जो एंट्री है वो 1:30
1:30 क्लोज हो जाएगी.
तो अभी तक आया कोई
अभी
स्टूडेंट?
तक कोई नहीं. We are eagerly waiting for those 2 children only.
ठीक है. These students are from Chandigarh or they are from Punjab?
We don't have any idea.
So, that is one of the reasons they had already set up a deadline at 1:30, so that there will be no delay, no any issue at all. The way we have seen earlier, this issue has already been come up, and after that, huge controversy has been erupted in all over the country, and the students and the parents, they have been protesting. So let's see that how this exam is going to be conducted here. They are waiting for the students, and for the time being, we have to wait. And this is the arrangement which they have already been made up. So this type of the arrangement which has been made up here in Chandigarh. Back to studio.